welcome to my moment, and today I'm going to review some of the Korean beauty's products that either I have used before or I never used it. So I seen some of the high rating and then it was happened to be on sale. So I just go ahead and order it from thestylekoreans.com. That's the website that I purchased it from. The products from Korea and shipped it over here. If you were trying to buy some of the products actually over here, then the price going to be like extremely high. So if you are purchasing from Korea, there's definitely a chance that you can get for a cheaper price. I want to let you know all these products that here I'm showing you, it's not sponsored. It's actually I purchased it and I really want to try it to improve my skincares and also to try some products to see if it worked that have been helping my skin. I have acne skin. Sometimes you will see zit that's coming through. Even at 25, you still get pimple. If you look at like Korean actors and actress and also K-pop, their skin look so beautiful. It looked like glass skin and it's amazing, so healthy. And then I really want that for my skin. So we are going to try that to see if that worked. The products that I got is this sheet mask. I love sheet mask. The reason why I recommend for everybody to try sheet mask because it's like a mini facial that you can get for only $1 each piece rather than $100. So that's why this is helping your skin going to be hydrated. Every different face mask have a different purpose. You just have to know which one is it to help your skin. For instance, it might help for hydration, it might help for wrinkle, it might help for brightening your skin. Not whitening. A lot of people have misconceptions that whitening is making your skin whiter. No, it's actually brighter to make that skin glow and healthy. So here's what I got from that, and I got 50 cents a piece. Usually it's like $3, but it's happened to be on sale, so that's why I got this. I love sheet masks, so I will go in Amazon and buy like 100 of them, so I will have in stock in my drawers and I don't have to worry about it because I do use sheet masks every day just to make sure that I have a very hydrated and a smooth skin. Whenever I put on makeup, it's going to be glowy and beautiful to enhancing my look. In order to achieve smooth and amazing makeup when you put it on, you have to take care of your skin. So you have to take care from the inner to show outers. And that's why it's great to use a sheet mask because it's giving you all the hydrations, all the nutrients that is actually absorbing at night to give you refresh for the morning. The products that I'm going to show you is the Time Revolutions, and this is first treatment essence is from Misha. This is also another one that I got it from Misha, and it's Time Revolutions, but this one is for night repair. I also got this one, the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. You can find this at Sephora, but it's super expensive. I only got this for $17. Lastly, I got this. This is Misha Perfect Cover BB Creams, and this number is number 27. This product, I used it when I was in high school, and I used to love it so much. It's a great product to cover my pimple. It's covering my blemishes, and what a perfect combination to have an SPF 42 already inputted in there. I have a great experience when I was in high school, and I did not use this for a long time because I was using other products, and so this product by itself is pretty pricey. But then it happened that I got this for only like less than $10, and so that's why I decided to go ahead and purchase it and try it again. And I hope this is going to be feel like as the same way that I have felt before. I remember this is amazing coverage because during that time when I was in high school, there was not a lot of foundations was known for coverage, and this one was the most coverage that I could found. And then if you guys don't know, this is the original BB creams that you have seen outside now whenever you say BB cream or CC cream. This was actually the first to invented BB creams, and what it does, it was to cover scarf or blemishes. Some people does not like their scarf and they have to go surgery. Well, this is known to cover blemishes or imperfections. instructions. I'm going to review all these products, how to use it, and also how it's going to help with your skin. I don't have anything on right now other than I did my eyebrow. After you have washed your face, we're going in with toners. I'm using a Mario Padascu. This is the acid toners. I'm going to put the solutions inside the cotton ball. The purpose of using this is to bring your pH level back to normal, and the benefit of this also is to take out dirt if you still have dirt after you have washing your face. And this is a great product I will recommend for anybody. So if you're having a sensitive or your skin cannot take alcohol, then I recommend to use the aloe vera toners because it's alcohol free, and so you can use the products and it's really nice. I have used it before. It's kind of like leave yourself a tingly and refreshing skin. It's super nice. I hope you can see it. There's like some dirt on there, and then you're going to toss this away. So this product I'm going in is a Time Revolution, the first treatment essence. The bottle look absolutely amazing, you guys. It's so pretty. So they tell me go ahead and use a cotton ball and actually apply your skin. I'm not going to do that. Make sure to wash your hands. And we are going to apply with our fingers. And so get a good amount. We are going to rub it in with our hands, put it in on our skin. The purpose of applying essence is to prep the skin to effectively absorb subsequent products like serums and moisturizer, but in this case we are applying a sheet mask. So it's actually feel a little bit sticky, and it's okay to feel like that. You're supposed to feel like that because once you put the mask on, it's going to collect and absorb all the nutrients from the moisture into your bare skin. Don't forget about your neck and also your chest because that's the first place where it's gonna show aging, and we want to prevent that time to slow down as possible. So I'm going to put this mask on. So this routine that I'm showing you will likely to be at night versus in the morning, because in the morning you don't really do sheet masks. You don't have enough time because this does take time, 15 to 20 minutes. So this is how you peel it. So they have a little spot right here for you to peel it, and go ahead and peel along those lines. And there's a lot of moisture going on here. So here's the products. And I'm going to be carefully taking it apart, and we're going to apply it on our face. The leftover moisture, go ahead and rub it on your neck. What I like to do with the products that is left over in here, and then rub it against my hand. We're gonna wait for 15 to 20 minutes. A lot of people have misconception to put on the mask until it dry. It's actually really bad because the purpose here is actually you want to collect all those nutrients, all those moisture into your skin, but whenever you left it out, it's going to be drying up the product, so it's actually collecting it backward. As you can see here that this area is much wider than this area, because right now this area right here, the weather changes, so my skin is feel really dry, and so it's actually collecting and absorbing all those nutrients into my skin. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to take it out. So I'm going to put on this Time Revolutions, and it's a night repair. The bottle look like this. It's so pretty. Your skin at night will automatically going to repair itself by using all these products. Is actually an enhancement. And so next products that I'm going to put in is a night repair. You're going to squeeze this top tool right here, and it's going to suck up the products into this tube, and then you're going to squeeze it and it's gonna come out. Go ahead and rub it against your hands, and we are going to apply it in our face. I have tried using this products in the mornings. It's actually worth the same, and so if you wish to use this products day and night, I would recommend it because it's such a great product. The smell of this product is actually really nice versus going to smell like chemically. It's very, very subtle, and I can feel that it's actually healthy just smelling it. So this products here that I just used is claimed to be anti-wrinkle and also brightening care. So right now I can feel my skin is actually firm and very hydrated. After that, I'm going to put on this water sleeping mask. For this product, I have tried before. This is such a great product. You can buy at Sephora or Amazon, but I recommend that find whichever is cheaper than buy it, because I got this for like $17 or $18 from thestylekorean.com. Products that claim to be like at night only or in the mornings, you can use either way if you wish to. It does not matter. But so the cream is going to be very thin. The smell is actually very fresh. It's a watery mask. So this is going to enhance a hydration. The reason why I have not gone back to this product right here, because I was using the Clinique Moisture Surge and it's 72-hour hydrations. I mean, this product too is very similar. It does what it's supposed to do and it's a great product. So either way, if you are going to try this product or this product, it's built really nice. So you're going to get a little bit, like this much, and we're gonna rub it. And right now I can feel there is water. And whenever you apply it in your skin, my skin felt really soft and nice. And especially smells so good. I love it. This is like my favorite part. Lastly, I will put on moisturizer because it's a thicker paste. So how to layer your products is also very important. The reason why I go with a moisturizer last, if you can see here, the paste is actually thicker. And so you want to apply this last. I don't know what this product's called, but it's actually for anti-aging. Whenever you apply in your skincare, it's also very important in how you layer it, because you want the thinner paste to go first and then the thicker paste to actually last to lock everything together. Here's the products that I have found and I actually love it a lot. It's the Acne Cover Patch. So what this product does is actually help your pimples going to be aging faster, and if you have a little gunk, it's actually pulling to the surface as soon as possible. I don't try to pop it. It's required that you put this a minimum of 6 hours like this, and you're going to peel one and just put it on the area that you know is gonna have a pimple and it hurt. You're gonna leave it on for 6 to 8 hours every day until the gunk is actually coming out. Don't try to pop it, because popping your pimple is actually bad. So we're going to try to heal our skin as fast as we could, so the redness of it is eventually will go away. I put this for at nighttime, and in the daytime I'm just actually taking it out. What I have noticed that after you have popped your pimple, go ahead and put the patch on there, and it's going to heal your skin and you don't have scars. So that's another thing that I have found out whenever I was trying this product. So I recommend, if you have a bad acne, use this product to heal yourself. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to take this out because we are going to try this foundations. Like the first time when this products came out, it was only this colors. I believe they come out with 4 different colors. It's going to lean more into a lighter skin tone versus darker skin tone. So be careful while selecting your colors. And I love how it's come with a pump, because for the purpose of germs, this is great. And I'm going to squeeze it out just a little bit. So I'm going to use a damp Morphe-Beauty Sponge, and I'm going to put it on my skin. And the smell of it is actually very great instead of smelling chemically. So I'm going to tap on my skin. And I love this sponge so much, you guys, because of the flat surface right here, and also the edges help me to target my under eyes as close as possible. Just using a tapping motion to pack your products on. So for my people that does not want to waste their products, you know, like using a sponge, that's a downfall. I just want to let you know. But the result is absolutely amazing. So I'm enjoying all the products that I tried today, and it's make my skin really nice and bouncy, firm, and also know that it's anti-aging. So it's never too young to actually take care of your skin, because it's better to prevent it than treat it. So I do recommend to use some of these products on your daily routine. I want to congratulate to Stacey Bell, who is actually my boss, that comment below on my third video, and she have requested this video, skincares. And so this will be for you, Urban Decay Eye Primer. I love this product so much, and I hope you do too. I will probably have more products give away, but be sure to comment below, because apparently she was the only one. Hey, the first person that does it, win it. I hope you found this video useful. Please comment below of what you want to see next. Also, give this video a thumb up, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and until next time, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.